Hello students, this is Sudeep Yadav from Spectrum Chemistry, and students, if you are first time visiting to my channel, so please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get best explanation of NCERT book class 7th subject science. And students, if you are watching this video, so please you can visit my playlist to watch the previous 5 chapters videos which I have already created. And in this video, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 6. Name of the chapter, physical and the chemical changes. So let's start, students. Physical and chemical changes. So first of all we have to know about that what is the physical and chemical changes. So let's see intro. Changes occur around us all the time, like milk turns sour, seed germinate, the weather changes, and the fruit ripen. So these all are the different kinds of the changes which we are observing, which can see in our daily life around us. Okay, changes can be of different types, means some will be the desirable changes, some will be undesirable changes, some will be slow changes, some will be fast changes, some will be temporary, some will be permanent changes, some will be reversible and some will be irreversible changes, and some will be the physical or some will be the chemical changes. So all these changes involve one or more substances. Each substance has a unique composition. So this was the introduction about the changes. Now the core topic which we have to discuss, the core point, that is physical changes. When substance undergoes a physical change, it doesn't give rise to a different kind of substance, or there is no new substance is formed. Means during any change, if you are not getting a new substance which having a new properties from the previous one, so at that time this kind of the change will consider as a physical change. A physical change is reversible change. This is the key point. A physical change is a reversible change. For example, heating of water, that is a physical change. Melting of butter, that is the physical change. Cutting of paper, that is the physical change. Now next, chemical changes. A chemical change occurs when two or more chemical substances react to form a new product that have an entirely different set of properties. A chemical change is mostly irreversible. For example, cooking of food, ripening of fruit, lighting matchstick, aging of leaves, and digestion of food. So here we are getting a totally new compound, a totally new substance from the previous one. So this is a irreversible change. We can't reverse it. So this is the reason behind it. These all changes we can consider as the chemical changes. Okay, let's see, students. Here some points I have discussed, that is physical change and the chemical change. Physical change are the mostly reversible. Okay, means melting of ice. Okay, and it will convert into water, and water can be refreeze. Okay, and it can reconvert into the ice. Okay, so this is the physical change, means this is the reversible. Okay, chemical changes are not reversible, means if you have placed magnesium ribbon inside the sulfuric acid, it will convert into magnesium sulfate, means this is the chemical change. We can't reverse the magnesium sulfate into the magnesium and the sulfuric acid. Okay, so this is a chemical change. No new substances are formed. Okay, but in the chemical change you will be get a new substance. One or more new substances are formed. The substance retain their chemical properties. The new substances formed have different properties from the original substance. So this is the difference in between the physical changes and the chemical change. So let's see, students, activity. which are given in your book. Activity number 6.1. Number first, procedure. What will be the procedure for this activity? Let's see. Cut paper into the 4 squares. Second step, cut each square into the 4 squares further. Okay, put these 16 pieces together. So let's see what will be your observation. Observation, you cannot form paper as before. Conclusion, change is physical. Change in size, no change in property of the paper. Okay, so by the help of this activity we can say the physical change are the this is the physical change. Is it clear? Now next, activity number 6.2. Number first, procedure. Crush pieces of chalk into dust, add water to chalk dust and make paste, roll it into chalk again. So here students, we have formed chalk from the crushed pieces of the chalk. Okay, so means here is no new substances forming. Okay, here is no new substances forming. Okay, so observation, let's see what is the observation. Chalk form against. Okay, conclusion, change is physical change in size only. Okay, here is only change in size. Okay, not in the constituent particles, not in the molecular arrangement. Okay, not in the disturbance of the any new substance is not forming. Okay, the previous substance whatever was, it has been formed after that process which we have done. That is the procedure. Okay, similarly activity number 6.3. let's see. Procedure, melt ice in sun. Now place this water in freezer to make ice. So means melt ice in sun, it has converted into water, that is the liquid form, and when this water, that is the liquid, when you will be freeze it inside the freezer, it will reconvert into the ice. So there is no change in their constituents, okay, of the water. So means there is a physical change. So let's see observation. Water changes form. Conclusion, change in physical from solid to liquid state. Okay, means only the difference here is a state change, like it was previously it was the solid and after the melting it has converted into the liquid state. Is it clear? And reconverting into the solid state by the freezing process. So this is also a physical change. Now activity number 6.4. Procedure, boil water, let steam cool on a surface to form a water droplets. Means this is the condensation process. Observation, water changes form from liquid to gas and back to the liquid. Means this is the reversible. Okay, so if there is a reversible process, so means this will be the physical change. So conclusion, that is the change is physical from gas to liquid. Only state has changed. Okay, only state has changed, not its constituent, and not new substances forming during this process. So this is a physical change. Now activity number 6.5. Procedure, hold a blade on flame, color of blade changes, remove from flame, color gets back to the normal. Means on heating its color will change into the yellowish red, but when you will be removed from the flame, it will reconvert its original color. Okay, so conclusion, change is physical, change in color only. Okay, means when previously it was the blackish brown, when you have exposed it over the flame, its color has changed into the reddish yellow. Okay, and then it will, when you will be remove it from the flame, it will convert into its original color. So this is the physical change. Only change in color was gone, was happened. Okay, so this is the another example of the physical change. So let's see what is the physical properties. Properties such as the shape, size, color and state of substance. Means if these kind of the changes will take place, so these all kind of the changes is a physical changes. Means number first, shape, size, color, state of a substance. Okay, and second point, physical change. Change in physical properties of a substance, it is reversible. Means whatever the change will take place, like the shape will change, size will change, color will change, but it is a reversible process. Okay, no new substance is formed, and you can't form a new substance which having a new property. Okay, so this kind of the change is known as a physical change. So I hope students you must have enjoyed this video. So today we have discussed about physical and the chemical change with the